Hello everyone. Today our topic is the relationship between the line voltages and phase voltages and currents in the three-phase circuits. So let us discuss today our topic is the relationship between the line and phase quantity for the star connected load. So I'm drawing the star connected load. So each phase having the load as impedance which is magnitude is Z. So this is star connected load. Each phase having the Z as an impedance. So the common point is neutral, which is denoted by N. Then this is the R phase, this is the Y phase, this is B phase. So this star connected load is supplied with the three phase supply. Three phase supply. So this star connected load is supplying with a three phase supply as R, Y and B. Okay. So we must remember the 2 points while developing the relationship of line and phase quantity. First, we must take care of the diagram, and second, take condition should be take care is the phasor diagram should be drawn very neatly, so that we can establish the relationship the phase and line quantity without any confusions. Okay, so let us proceed. So in the diagram we are identifying the what are the phase quantities and line quantities. First of all, this is the R phase. The R phase is supplying voltage. The supplying current is IR, that is the line current, which is line current. Y phase is the supplying as the phase, sorry, the line current is IY, whereas the B phase is the supplying current, the line current is which is IV. So the voltage appear between the two lines, which is line voltage. This is line to line voltage. The line voltage is VRY. The line voltage between R phase and Y phase. The line voltage is between Y and B phase is VYB. The line voltage between the R and B, which is the line voltage which is between R and B phase is VBR. Okay. So these are the line currents. These are the line voltages. If the load side also, we can identify the line and phase quantities. The current flowing through the R phase is VRN, which is VRN. The line current flowing through the Y phase is treated as IYN. The line, the current passes through the B phase is denoted as VBN. By observing the source side, supplying side to the load side, the currents which are the line current in the R phase is same as the current flowing through the phase of the load, which is IRN. By observing the circuit diagram, IR is same as IRN, means the line current and the phase currents are the same in the star connected load. By observing the circuit diagram, we can conclude as like this. So from this we can say that similar way I y is same as I y n. IB is same as IBN. From these three statements, we can finally conclude that in the star connected load, the line current is equal to the phase current. Please make a note on this, which is very important. The relation between the phase and line quantity currents in the star connected load is same. Okay, so move on to the the voltage appeared the drop across the line to neutral, which is in the first leg of the load, so which is denoted as, let us go to the load side. Okay, so this is the load side. For avoiding confusion, I'm writing here, this is load side. So VRN, which is the phase voltage. Okay, the voltage across Y phase, which is VYN. In B phase, the voltage drop across Z, which is I, which is VBN. So move on to the next slide. So currents are same in Z phase. Each phases, the current through the carrying Z phase is IRN, which is R phase. Similar way, Y phase, B phase, corresponding currents are noticed in the circuit diagram. So similar way, in order to establish the relationship between the phase voltage and line voltages, I am considering a simple diagram. Please focus on here. I am considering R phase and the load is connected to the R phase, and Y phase, which is connected to the supply. I am considering the portion of this circuit diagram. I am redrawing here. This is R phase load, this is neutral. Then I am considering Y phase impedance, then directly connected to the back to the supply. Okay, this is R phase, this is Y phase. The voltage between the two lines, which is line voltage VRY. Okay, this is R phase, this is Y phase. The voltage across the Z phase impedance in the R phase, which is VRN. Okay, so I am applying the KVL to this loop. KVL to the loop. KVL in this loop. Okay, we will get VRY is equal to VRN, the drop across here, R phase impedances and which is VYN. Okay. So in N phase, so but R phase is VRN, but whereas I'm considering in the same direction, so the drop across this impedance is VNY. VNY. But in unlike DC systems, the in AC systems, if they change the direction, the phase shift will be changed. So that now consider, so what is VYN? BYN, which is equivalent to minus VNY. From this, we can write VNY is equal to minus VYN. So, from the above equation, VRY is equal to VRN plus minus of VYN. So we can write as VRN. This is phase voltage across the Z in R phase minus VYN. So this is the line quantity in the star connected load. So let us write the equation for the remaining two phases, two line quantities. So V YB, the voltage drop across Y and B, the voltage between the Y and B phases, V Y B. So V by B is equal to, sorry, V by N minus V B N. In similar fashion, the voltage between the R and B phase V BR, which is equal to VBN minus VRN. This is the same concept. Okay. So, in order to find the perfect relationship between the line and phase quantities, so we must use the phasor diagram. So I'm drawing the phase quantity as a reference in order to develop the relationship between the phase and line quantities. I'm drawing the, sorry, this is the three phase currents, which is RY, sorry, this is not RY, actually I wrote wrongly. This is the RN, this is RN.